Hi guys! Today it's gonna be a quick intro because I'm all ready to go for a barbecue. The weather is nice and sunny here, and well, I don't know, but it might be our last barbecue of the summer because, well, kind of autumn already, but this season, because the weather is getting colder, it's getting rainier, and we don't know. So it might be the last one, but maybe it's not. So I just wanted to tell you about the recipe before I go. There's something I got here. I've prepared one of my favorite salads, coleslaw, and I wanted to share my recipe for it with you. I know you've probably had all different kinds of coleslaws, but I wanted to share my recipe with you, and I think this is like probably one of the most versatile salads, and what I mean by that is because it fits perfectly to fish. You can serve it as a side to some fish, to some meat, any meat actually, in my opinion, or you just grab a bowl and eat it as it is. It's really delicious, even eaten just like that. And before I get too carried away, I'm gonna grab this bowl and head to the barbecue, and you enjoy watching that recipe video. You will need about half of a cabbage, of a small cabbage, so about 500 grams. I have this kind of a funny cabbage, and I'm gonna remove the middle, and you don't have to throw away the middle. You can eat it, but it's just not perfect for the salad. Then I'm gonna half it and chop it really, or slice it actually, really finely with a sharp knife. So you really want to use a sharp knife for the cabbage. Once you have all of your cabbage in a big bowl, you want to kind of work it a little bit in your hands like this. This will help the cabbage to start releasing some juices, and also it kind of softens it a little bit. I don't know, I just like it better like this. So just shortly work the cabbage in your hands. So not for too long, we don't want to squash the whole cabbage. We just want to get the cabbage releasing the juices a little bit, and then that's fine. Then this is something I also like to use. So I like to add a little bit of onion, white onion into the salad, but just a little bit. So I'm using a small white onion. And as with the cabbage, you just want to chop the onion finely. So I don't want any big chunks of onion in the salad, but just a little bit, so that it gives that nice taste. Then I also have 3 pretty small carrots that I'm gonna grate on a small grater. You could use more or less, just how you like it. I'm gonna show you how it looks in the salad, so you will know how much it is, and then you can add less or more, whichever way you prefer. Give the salad a short mix. This is just so you can see whether you want to add more carrots, or whether, well, yeah, you cannot really add less carrots. So this is just to see that you, well, whether you want to add more. This is quite a lot, I think, compared to like other recipes I've seen. I like it this way, but you could also use less. So just don't add all of it in, or just start by grating 1 carrot, add it in, see how it looks for you, and then proceed if you need more. Then you want to add the dressing for the salad. I'm adding just 1 tablespoon of mayo because I want to keep it healthy, or on the healthier side, and then the rest I'm adding Greek yogurt. You could also use sour cream, or you could, of course, you could add just mayo This is my preference. I just like to make it like this. The mayo still gives it a nice taste, but it's just a little bit lighter with the yogurt. Then I'm adding in about 1 teaspoonful of salt. Always with salt, you should add a little first and then taste and add more if you need. Then I'm also adding black pepper, so about a half a teaspoonful, and then you just want to give it all a good mix. I prefer my coleslaw so that it's a little bit covered with the dressing, but there's not too much mayo, not too much of that yogurt. It just kind of gives it a coating, but there's not too much. So again, as with the seasoning, have a taste, and if you think it needs a little bit more, then just add a little bit more. Yeah, I know, I should have been gone already. I told you. I'm gonna head off, but I needed to do the outro as well, so sorry. I'm still here. So I hope you enjoyed the recipe, and I hope you will be trying it out. And let me know what you enjoy eating the coleslaw most with. What kind of dish? What's your favorite? And I'm just gonna tell you, I love this salad one more time because it's so crunchy. You can make it in different ways, and because it fits perfectly with so many different meals. I know you will be asking, so I might just say I'm also taking this beautiful carrot cake with me to the barbecue. I know it's not really carrot cake season because it seems to be Easter when people get crazy about the carrot cakes, but we love it. We love it so much in the family that I decided to make the carrot cake to take with me to the barbecue. Do you want the recipe before Easter, or should we wait until Easter? Let me know in the comments. I hope you enjoyed that coleslaw recipe, and if you did, you know what to do. Show me some love with a thumbs up and subscribe for some coming delicious recipes. And also, there's a really amazing project coming with myself and my friend AB from Smoking and Grilling with AB. I will be telling you more about that in my next video, but you really want to stay tuned for that because we have some really fun stuff prepared for you. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye until next time.